Hello guys, my name is RISA DEWI LARASATI. In this video, I will give a speech about unity in diversity. Indonesia is a big nation, a strong and civilized nation, a nation that upholds a tolerant attitude, and a nation that is proud of its world-recognized mutual cooperation culture. As a great nation, we should maintain unity, not to be divided. Any provocation that wants unity in our diversity is shaken, we must be deterred and we fail. Do not let us be divided, which in the end those who target what we have will take advantage of it. Therefore, diversity must be understood as a unifying force of a nation whose extents cannot be denied. Diversity must also be interpreted as a diversity that unites, accept difference as a force, not a threat or a disturbance. All culture, religion, and tribes that remain in their respective forms, where all that unite them is a sense of nation and pride as part of Indonesian nation. Difference is not a barrier for us to achieve a goal as long as we do not think that a difference is biased. Sharing love makes imperfect people extraordinary. That is what happened in my country, Indonesia. Diversity is the nation's unifying milestone that must be viewed with pride because we are a pluralistic nation, a diverse nation, a nation that was thousands of islands and thousands of different cultures. Whichever is the case, but we are still a unity in diversity. Unity in diversity cannot be considered just a motto, but must be lived up to, kept in the heart of every citizen of Indonesia to maintain the unity and integrity of the country. In principle, the Indonesia motto has a very important meaning, namely tolerance and unity. First, tolerance can melt difference into unity so that there is no division or conflict. Second, unity is something that must be done in realizing the alignment in achieve goals from various race, ethnicities, culture, and religion. Understand this proverb that maybe some people have almost forgotten now. United we stand, divided we fall. Diversity is a nation reality that cannot be denied. To access to encourage the creation of peace in this life of the nation and the state. Diversity must be interpreted by the community through its understanding of multiculturalism based on the power of spirituality. Ethnic, religion, and ideology difference have become an inseparable part of the history of the Indonesia. People with unity in diversity and tolerance, which are the clue to unite in the university of the nation. The Indonesia motto is written at the foot of the symbol of the Garuda Pancasila country. Unity in diversity is a unifying tool for the nation. Therefore, we must together safeguard and practice the true meaning of unity in diversity that is concrete and implemented in the life of the nation and state. Because we all love Indonesia and we as children of the nation must maintain the integrity